4 foot by 5 foot picture window,
tiny.
bay window. No, ma'am. I am the owner and trying to help everybody in and out of here.
Pretty nice.
They're terrified.
But it's so small. People don't want to live small.
Well, no, they don't understand small.
That's true.
You know, what do you really need?
What you get exactly.
What do you really need? Are you building a house for you?
So I'm coming out this year with the Add-A-Box.
Okay.
Yeah, and you don't have any kitchen bathroom. Got a big. You can make it a bath. You got a living room. You can make it a bedroom,
Right.
and you can put it on the end, the side, and the roof line would go sloping, or it would be on the side and both go across. You know, and that way you can keep adding. Think about a young family.
Right. As
A
they
couple.
grow, well, 2 kids out of box.
Exactly.
Yeah. I
And you
feel
can continue staying in this thing.
And then, if you're empty nester, you get rid of them.
And you can take them apart, and sell them individually out.
Absolutely.
And you're not committed to one big house.
And then, can I get your first and last name?
Charlene Mahone.
Ace Mahone.
What kind of got you guys into tiny homes?
I design homes for a living. And I design expensive homes for a living. And I figure that most people cannot afford expensive homes. I live in California, and the average person works for $16, $17 an hour, which is minimum wage right now. And they cannot afford rent because rent is $2,000 a month on the average in California for a 1-bedroom apartment. They could either take their money and spend $2,000 a month. At 12 months, they're spending $24,000 a year. And I looked at this and I figured if they can get something for $20,000, they could actually own a home for $20,000 versus spending $24,000 and not have anything to show for it at the end of the year.
Right.
Awesome.
And it would be
that-
theirs.
Yes. You have your own hot tub. I mean, you have your own view of the mountain.
I would do a nana door
I'm
where
not
it
going
would
to share
slide
his,
all
I'm not
the
going
way
to share
back.
his concept, but he's thinking exactly like me.
I would pull that nana door all the way back so it's all wide open.
This, which drew me over to this to talk a little more about it, my METOGA is an acronym that I created that's minimalistic, anthropometric, ergonomic, total off-grid applications. This fits the category.
When I see it, because I'm thinking I'm going to be an interior decorator, so I'm thinking we could open this up more, some doors that slide back where you can get a lot of air in, put a deck around it once you land it in a spot, get you a portable, inflatable hot tub you could set out there, and it would be your getaway home. Rather than spending money for a hotel in Palm Springs, I can have this in Palm Springs, and I can go there and enjoy it.
With my personal hot tub.
With my personal hot tub.
Assuming that we could get the land for a reasonable price to do something like that.
Plus, when I saw this guy, I was like, I really liked his personality when I was looking at the YouTube, and I loved how he explained things, and he's just happy about it.
My sister mentioned it briefly, and so I went out and I took a look at it, and then of course it caught my attention. I looked at several of the previous episodes and whatnot, because I know he's been out there for some years. He caught my attention primarily because of the cost. When he started with the credit box, I know he's built a lot of other things. I looked at all of the other episodes, which are extremely creative solutions, but this one seems to resonate because of the cost, because the average person can't even afford a basic tiny home. So this kind of eliminates the excuse of saying that you can't have one. So it's available for everybody, so that caught my attention for what I'm using it for. I figure it's a good base that you can take and you can expand upon it.
It's yours.
Yeah, it's yours. You own it. The only concern that I have with tiny homes is not the home, it's finding the place to put it. And so when he talked about creating his land in Tennessee, that caught my attention because that is to me, that's the future. The houses are not going to get any cheaper. And if you lose the land, you can just take it and put it somewhere else.
Right. It's a part of generational wealth.
It is generational wealth.